Hello once again, and thank you for joining us in this tutorial. In our tutorial today, we are going to learn how to sign PDF with digital signature certificate in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you'll need to go to your website and download for free the Acrobat Reader. You can get that on get.adobe.com/reader, and that link is available in the description of this video. And then you'll click on download Acrobat Reader on the left hand side, and then you install that, and it will bring you to this site once you have installed. So we want now to demonstrate how to sign a PDF with digital signature certificate. Now to do that, you'll come to the left hand side, and on menu, you click on menu, and then you come to preferences down here. Click on that and then come to signatures and click on signatures. So we are going to click on identities and trusted certificates. You click on more and it will open your certificate. So this is a certificate that I had already created for myself. So but to create a new one, you just come to the top here, click on digital IDs on the top left corner, then click on new here, click on new, and then you now create a new digital ID down here. You notice we have my existing digital ID I have this ones already, but to create a new one, just come down here and click on a new digital ID I want to create now. Then click on next, and then you click on next, and then you can now give your name details here. So the name here, I'll give Victorious D, and then organization unit, CEO, and then organization name, call this one Vic D Sellers, and then you can put the email address, you can put the country here, you can select your country here, and then put your email here. And once you have done that, you click on next, and then you put your password here. So you can also decide where to save your digital ID. You can click on browse, and then I want to save mine on downloads. I want to call it Victorious D. Then click on save. Then you put a password here that you can remember so that you can access this one later. Then you confirm the password again down here, and then you click on finish. And that creates for us the digital signature here. You now notice we have Victorious D, valid from, and all this. So now we want to customize further this signature that we have created. So we are going to open a new document. This is the document that we want to sign down here. It's a defense issue, it's a legal issue. We want to just put our signature down here. So, but we want to customize our signature further. So we are going to just come to the top here, click on menu, and then click on preferences again, and then signatures. But now we want to put our own sign within the certificate that we are signing. Then you'll come now to creation and appearance at the top here, the first one, then click on more, and you want to create a new one. So you click on new down here and appearance. So this is what we have. So this is where we want to put our sign. So let's just call this one SG 2023, and then we now import a graphic which will now be our signature here, the normal way you can sign with a pen. So to do that, just open any app where you can scribble, like this one. So this is simply Paint, then select the pen and just put your signature. So we are going to select the pen there, and then we scribble our signature. So you can do that on any other app. So let's just sign ours here. So we want that to be our signature. And then you can now snip this signature. So we are going to look for snipping tool. We snip that signature. New snip. We snip the new signature there. And then we can now save it. File, save as. I'm going to save it as SGG2. Then click on save under downloads. And then now I want to convert that signature into a PDF. So I'll come online and look for any site that can convert my PNG, the image I've just typed, into a PDF. So there are so many different sites. I'll just use png to pdf.com, and the link to that is available in the description of this video. Then I'm going to my PC on downloads. This is the SGG2, the signature that I've just created. Then it's now in PNG. I drag and drop it here so that it's now converted. You notice now it has just been converted. Click on download. So that now we have it as SGG2 PDF. Click on save. So it's now in our downloads. I'll come back now to my signature here and now click on imported graphic, then click on file. Then I can now go to my browser and browse on downloads, and then we have it here, SGG2 PDF. There it is, and then click on open, and you notice it has been added here. Then click on OK, and you notice now it has been added on our digitally signed, it has been added on our digital signature. Then click on OK, then click on OK down here, and then click on OK. So now we have our signature added. Now we want to add it to our document here, that signature. So what we do is, you notice on the left hand side, and this one can be on any side, you notice can be placed anywhere. So, but on my case, it's here. You notice we have the select tool, we have the add comment, we have the highlight, we have the draw freehand. And in case you didn't know how to sign that, maybe you didn't have paid this one where we did the signing, you can just come here and use the freehand. You can also do that. You notice it's also signing. You can change the color. You can decide which color to use for this freehand. Maybe you want it to be black. You can select that and just do the same signing just like we had said. So, but then you can also see here we have fill forms. We have the next one here, add your signature. So now to sign this document with the certificate that we have just created, you can come here and look for digital signature. Just type that. You notice we have digitally sign and use a certificate. So you click on that, and then you'll come to the document and drag the area where you want the certificate to appear. So I'll drag this section this way and release that. And now you notice I have different certificates that I had created. So I can click on one certificate. Remember, we have just created the Victorious Day certificate. I can click on that. And then you can check on lock document after signing, so that now your document, once you have signed, it will not be altered by anyone else. So you click on create, then you click on, you can now change details here, the text, the labels to include. Maybe you don't want to include a few, you don't want to include the logo, you want just the date and the name, you just have that. So once you select your signature there, you'll put your password here. And there we have it. You have your digital signature added there. And that is how you simply sign PDF with digital signature certificate. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.